Hello and welcome to One2Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can block the links on your server on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Discord on your PC. If you don't have Discord, you can download and install it using the official website of Discord. Log into your account and then you can go to one of the server which you own. Then go to the drop down menu over here and click on server settings. What you need to do is find audit log. You can see the audit log over here. Right above it, it's auto mod. Go ahead and click on auto mod. Scroll a bit down and you can see this option over here. Let's go ahead and click this block mention spam over here. If you don't want to do this, just go ahead and scroll a bit down and find block custom words. Go ahead and click on create. And what you need to do is name the list block list. Then you can go to use regex patterns for advanced matching and you can write down the link of the website or the page which you don't want to see. This will be blocked, so you will not get any type of messages from this. You can see you can write down all of it over here and then click on save changes. Click on escape and there you go. Now people will not be able to send you spam links and it will be blocked according to your wish. Once the spam link comes over here, you can go to its main domain site and you can copy the link and paste it over here. Go to user settings and you can go to the user settings of the server. Go ahead and click on it. Go to server settings, go to auto mod. Click on the block list which is over here and paste the site details over here and click save changes and there you go. This is how easy it is to block links on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.